Look, Ali! This is a path. A path is a way to walk from one place to another.
Oh, I see. So this is a path that we can walk on.
Exactly. And look over there.
What is a trail, Mom?
A trail is a path, often through a forest or the countryside. People use trails for walking, hiking, and exploring nature.
So a path can be anywhere, but a trail is often in nature.
That's right. Very good, Ali. Ali, look! This is a road. Cars, buses, and other vehicles travel on the road.
Oh.
And this is a footpath. People walk on the footpath.
So vehicles use the road and people walk on the footpath.
These are traffic lights that tell drivers when to stop, wait, and go. Red means stop. Yellow means wait or get ready. And green means go. A zebra crossing is a marked place on the road where people can safely cross the street. We use zebra crossing when traffic light is red. Underpass is a road that goes under another road. A bridge is a structure that goes over a river or road. Look, Ali, that's a roundabout. It's a circular road where vehicles drive around the center to go in different directions. That's a speed bump, a raised part of the road that makes vehicles slow down. So, Ali, do you remember what we have learned today?
Yes, I remember. Path. A way to walk from one place to another. Trail. A narrow path often found in a forest or countryside. Road. A wide way where cars, buses, and other vehicles travel. Footpath. A path made for people to walk on beside a road. Traffic lights are lights that tell drivers when to stop, wait, or go. Zebra crossings are white stripes on the road where people can safely cross. An underpass is a walkway or road that goes underneath another road. A bridge is a structure that helps people or vehicles cross over an obstacle like a river or road. A roundabout is a circular road. Vehicles move around a center to choose another road. A speed bump is a raised part of the road. This makes vehicles slow down.
Good job, Ali. You have learned really well. Well done.